Hey guys, back again with another video. How to make money online, part 3. Right, so let's get into it. So as you can see from the previous video I made, it's similar. The format is similar, the packages are similar. I can see VIP 7, VIP 6, 5, 4, 3, yeah, and on and on. Okay, but on this one, I'm not really like VIP, I'm still a free user, so I'm practically VIP 0. I usually go for this one because it's more easier than the other one. So I just gonna look for VIP 0. So I'm gonna start with the first one. I'll click on it. So this is how it loads up. It shows you how to go about it. Step 1, you click the Facebook link. Click the like on the post page, then screenshot. They even give you an example of how it's supposed to be done. So what we're going to do is we're going to click received. Good. Then we're going to click on the link itself right here. It's going to take us to the Facebook app. Alright, so Mercedes-Benz, very nice car. Should be, yeah, Maybach. It looks like the latest edition. So we like the picture, but I like it. Give it some time, and I'm just scroll up a bit, so like this. Then I take a screenshot. Yeah, alright. So I'm gonna just go back now to the browser. And this is more like the most difficult part for other people. It's like they keep on telling me they don't know how to submit the screenshot. So you just go back from the details there. You head to your Me page. You click on My Tasks. On this same one, and I would advise you to do them one at a time, because sometimes it's really hard to distinguish which one is which when you try to do two at the same time. So it's better you start one at one moment. So you click on this one again, so you just click submit. It's going to bring up this part. This is where you post the screenshot. You click here on the icon, Samsung phone, Android. So I'm going to use documents. It might be different for iPhones or any other make. So it's gonna be the latest one, which is this one. Just give it some time to upload depending on your internet connection. Alright, should be good to go. I'm gonna click submit. And you're done. So you just gotta wait for it to be verified by the administrator. As you can see, I've been doing this for quite, okay, not that long, but yeah. I think I even missed a day here. I don't know what happened. I missed the 25th. Must have had a lot of things to do because I usually don't miss. You can see 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. That's today 31. Yeah. So if you check, my balance about 2 something, 271. The 200, it's part of a promotion which I got from this one. Invite 10 friends, register, get 200. But the tricky thing is that only VIP 1 and above can withdraw. So that's why I haven't yet withdrawn this money. But I don't plan on really withdrawing it. I plan on making 420, so that when I get all the way to 420, I can buy the VIP 1 package. Yeah, so that when I can buy that one, I can make more money off that. You know, that's all supposed to be the goal. So yeah, that's practically it. You can ask me any questions about this in the comments. I'm gonna reply. And yeah, if you enjoyed the video, you can like, consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next video.